Day 27 of 2023. My dinner is ready. Today we made a chef pocket. My daughter and my husband love chef pockets. When I make many, then I can freeze some of them and my daughter can bring them to school for lunch. It's very easy. My cooking method is simplicity and efficiency and the nutrient balance. At least that's what I try to do. And the most joyful thing that I love is cooking with my family. And today I had my husband cook the ground pork and scrambled eggs, and also my daughter peeled garlic. And we had a great time together. Now we are eating our dinner already.